Oyawre. Arwaki e mbui mar loko kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa di kifungu mar subscribe sani.
Good morning, viewers, and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary. And if you've not been following us, this is a channel where I'm trying to teach my daughter how to speak Luo. But also the bigger picture is I'm trying to teach all these kids who have parents who maybe moved out of where they learn Luo and they grew up where they could not speak Luo well. So we're trying to just be on the same page. So today we're going to talk about nouns. No, not nouns. Is it?
Jobs.
Nouns.
Jobs.
Nouns. Now we're going to talk about nouns. And another thing I want to talk about is we are going to construct simple sentences with nouns. Yes, I am a teacher, I am a doctor, things like that. So if you're interested in this, please hang on and wait for us. Meanwhile, before we start, I want to teach her how to pronounce this. So start.
Oyawre. Arwaki e mbui mar loko kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa di kifungu mar subscribe sani.
Okay, you'll hear how I talk and then compare with how you talk and then we see. Oyaore. Arwaki e mbui mar loko kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa di kifungu mar subscribe sani. Can you try that?
Oyawre. Arwaki e mbui mar loko kisungu obed dholuo. Akwayo ni mondo iluwa di kifungu mar subscribe sani.
Good. This just means good morning. Welcome to the Luo English Dictionary and please subscribe to our channel. And this is still so complex and we shall not deal with this today. Today we shall talk about nouns, and I've just I have a lot of nouns here. Let me just organize myself for a minute. Where is the first? The first one is lost, as usual. Okay, here we are. We are going to talk about sentence formation skills, and we shall use three types of sentences. This is an lactar. Then this is ok an lactar. And this is be an lactar. So these are the three forms of sentences, and it means I am a doctor, I am not a doctor, am I a doctor? Those are the three different sentences. So I will give you, this is the only one I'll talk about. Now the rest you have to look at it and then say an, ok an, be an. So that means I am a, I am not a, am I a. Okay? So let's start. So let's start with this. What is this?
An Jamiel.
Jamiel. Say Jamiel.
Jamiel.
You have to say louder.
Jamiel.
So, start. Let me put this here so that you can see.
An Jamiel. Ok an Jamiel.
Be an Jamiel.
Be an Jamiel.
Not Jamiel, Jamiel.
Jamiel.
Start again.
An Jamiel. Ok an Jamiel. Be an Jamiel.
Good. Jamiel is a dancer. Jamiel.
Nyako.
So?
An nyako. Ok an nyako. Be an nyako.
Correct. An nyako. Ok an nyako. Be an nyako. Can you do it again?
An nyako. Ok an nyako. Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Be an nyako.
Am I a girl?
Am I a girl?
Okay.
Care.
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 Care is president. Care, president. Like the president of your country. Like here, you know, that person. Yeah.
An care. Ok an care. Be an care.
Good. An care. Ok an care. Be an care.
Ogul mama.
Ogul mama.
Ogul mama.
Ogul mama.
Ogul mama. An ogul mama. Ok an ogul mama. Be an ogul mama.
That's good.
Jawer.
Jawer. Say Jawer.
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 Uh-huh.
And-
Jawer is a singer. Person knows him. Uh-huh.
An
Are you
jawer.
laughing at the way I sing? Okay, let's go.
An jawer. Ok an jawer. Be an jawer.
Uh-uh. The tonation of Jawer is not correct. When you say Jawer.
Jawer.
Uh-huh.
An
Start again.
jawer. An jawer.
An Jawer.
An jawer.
Ok an Jawer.
Ok an jawer.
Be an Jawer.
Be an jawer.
You know you have the same tone to Be an Jawer. An Jawer.
Be
Ok
an jawer.
Be an Jawer.
Be an jawer.
Be an Jawer.
Be an jawer.
Okay.
Japonj. An japonj. Ok an japonj. Be an japonj.
Be an Japonj.
Be an japonj.
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 Japonj is teacher. Teacher. Japonj. Okay.
Jatello.
Uh-huh. Jatelo is what?
Leader. An jatello. Ok an jatello. Be an jatello.
You know that Be an part, you've not convinced me. Be an Jatelo.
Be an jatello.
Uh-huh. Good. She's doing well.
Woyi.
Or,
Wowi.
but we say woi.
Woyi.
So boy is woi, but you can write it as woi. Some people write as woi, some people write as woi. So where I come from, we write as woi. Uh-huh.
An woyi.
Uh-huh.
Be an woyi.
Yes.
Be ok an woyi.
So you have to take this. Let me look at the time in the camera. So we have like 1 minute to go. So you can do 2 more.
Japur farmer.
Japur.
Japur.
Uh-huh.
An Japur. Ok an Japur. Be an Japur.
Be an Japur.
Be an Japur.
Not Japur. Japur.
Japur.
Japur.
Japur.
Hmm? Pu. Pu. Pur.
Pur.
Yes. Be an Japur.
Me an Japur.
Good. So we've just run out of time, and we'll do this video, section 2 of this video. Please just look at the part B of this video to continue talking about the nouns. Peace. Finish up.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Make sure you subscribe at the red subscribe button down below. If you have any concerns or any improvements or something you want to compliment, the comment section is down below. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, goodbye.